Hello, CNG 132. Another quick video here that I'll post in the news section. Uh, got turned down last week, Wednesday, about trying to give you guys a private lesson in Digital Shadow's dark web search tool. But I found kind of a workaround for you guys, and it worked for me to get like a second one. So here I am at the Digital Shadows .com. So you can say to go to specifically where I'm at, it's resources.digitalshadows.com. If you scroll down to the section that has interactive threat hunting dark web webinar, November 6th. If you can attend this, let's see when November 6th is. November 6th is on a Wednesday, and I think it's in the middle of the day. Um, this is a basically interactive. Well, this says interactive. Um, you get to do a demo copy of their product, which lets you um, basically kind of use their credentials and their web scraper to put in a basic search for specific targets. Like if you do credit cards, it's going to bring up everything that has credit card information. If you want to do Starbucks gift cards, it's going to bring everything that has Starbucks gift cards. So I would highly suggest that if you want to get like a hands-on, it's not going to be very long, but if you want to get a hands-on kind of introduction to their product, I thought their product was decent. Make sure to sign up here for the November 6th webinar. I'm signed up for it. Hopefully, you guys are signed up for it. Hopefully, I see you in there. Make sure to use your student emails for that so they see that you're students and you're interested in their product. Um, but yeah, hop in there. So that's kind of a little workaround. So we're not having a private demo to our class. We have to join some others. But it's real cool type thing. Make sure you have headphones, laptop. You can listen in. If you are um, tablets do work. I used my iPad Pro and it was decent enough. Actually, it worked fine. It worked fine. So you have a Surface, an iPad, something of that nature. It should work for this. So definitely get in on that, and I'll post this in the news. Bye.